Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing and doing a quick tutorial on the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer, the Perfecting Base. It retails for $38 for 1 ounce of product. It is a spout pump kind of packaging, and it is a matte finish primer. So as you can see here, I've been using it, and the actual product is very liquidy. It does have a pink kind of tone to it, and I do want to mention that it also has apricot haze on the bottle, so it does actually have an apricot smell to it as well. So from my experience with my dry to normal skin, I've been applying it in different ways, but I felt that the brush is the best way to apply it to my dry to normal skin, and it just works best with my skin type with a dense kind of soft bristle brush like this one from BH Cosmetics. And I like to apply the Velvet Blurring Primer this way before I actually apply all the makeup and everything. So what it is a liquid to powder blurring primer that instantly diminishes the appearance of pores, fine lines, and imperfections to leave skin porcelain smooth with an airbrush finish. They have other primers, and I do have videos on that. One of my favorite primers ever is the First Light primer that they have in the purple bottle. That is definitely a luminous primer that I love using when I feel like my skin is dull, and this is also for dullness and uneven texture and pores. So I also want to mention that it's paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free, and Becca is a cruelty free company. So this is the end result of using the primer, and next I will be showing you after the makeup. And yeah, I actually have been enjoying this primer. Hope this helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!